Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a brainstorming. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the brainstorming is a tool of ideation and conceptualization. It got the following characteristics. Allows devising alternatives and fostering the possibilities of creating diverse products, service, business ideas, or basically anything that you or your group could imagine. The tool is used at the stage of ideation in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. However, this also could be used in any agile methodology, Scrum, Design Spirit, anything. Usually this tool is used in a group way, in which all the members of the group interact with each other to create several alternatives with the purpose to solve or fix a specific situation. It is an orderly process, but it has the stigma of being an activity intuitive and spurious that consists of throwing words randomly, which is totally wrong. In this video, we will tell you how to do it properly. The components are format, keywords, associate, and insight. Okay, so when you're gonna start develop your brainstorming, it's very important first that you choose your format. I prefer to do it analog. It means with paper, pencils, or markers. You can do it on group or individual. I recommend if you are working in a group, please do it all together because this part is very important. Also, very important as well to have a clear topic. What are you gonna be brainstorming about? So those elements it has to be very clear at the beginning. After you have your topic, after you have your format and the way that you're going to do it, you start with keywords. First, you choose the main word. It means what is the topic of the development. After that, you use other words to explain that idea and to explain all the different components that it got. It's always very important that all the words are topic related. It has to be very described. It means that you can use as many words as you want because it's really important that you understand and use all the components that you need to describe it. After that, I recommend to encapsulate all the words. You can use pictograms if you want to describe a word because sometimes people misunderstand a word and a meaning. So if you want to be very specific and don't create doubts in your members, use a pictogram. After that, you start associating all the words. You have to be related. You have to link all the words all together. And with that, you start constructing different kind of idea. The association is really important because not all words are linked. You have to know which are the relationship that they got between each other. When you have that, you make an analysis, and that is the most important part because as I was telling you at the beginning of this video, many people think that a brainstorming is just throw random words, and it's not like that. Yes, you use keywords, but you analyze it, you link it all together, and after that, you start developing an idea. If you just throw random words and you don't have a clear result, this tool do not work for whatever you're gonna use it. So it's very important to be specific and create ideas. And those ideas has to evolve in an insight or many insights. It's very important that the ideas are clear. And here you have to decide because you could have many different ideas. I recommend to choose the most important ones, but those ideas, it has to be focus specific of the topic of your development. That is really important. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of this development, the brainstorming should be able to write at least 3 ideas and 2 insights. If you don't know how to elaborate an insights, please check our channel because here we have a specific tutorial just for insights. Reading ideas must be detailed with variables that can be evaluated. No random word related to the topic that is being worked on. The key in the correct use of this tool is being specific, descriptive, and connect the words in a logical way to build ideas in a congruent form that you can use in your project. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. In our social network, every day we have new developments, so please check it out. Thank you to all of you. We are and we keep going to be the #1 design channel in YouTube. So thank you to all of you. Remember, on Monday we always have a new video in English. On Thursday we always have a new video in English as well. Sorry, Monday is Spanish, Thursday is English. So thank you so much and we'll see you next time.